All right, so the rear driver's side's coming in. You notice that this is the rear driver's side. This is the rear driver's side. So I'm gonna apply the brake grease right where that is. That circle area, that's where I'm gonna put it. Because that's where the contact spot is. And this can help with noise. And then the wear indicator is going to be inside, and then I'm going to put some right here and some right there. That is the passenger side. So notice when you line it up, see how this curves? This curves like that. Well, when this curves, this is on the other side. So it's a different part number. And then see how I put the grease there? Well, put some on this side too. Don't touch that brake rotor. You touch the brake rotor, it's gonna take a lot of effort to undo. You gotta put a rag in here and clean it with some brake clean. It just gets messy. All right. Now I'm gonna take this guy and I'm gonna put this on the inside. I'm gonna put my phone down because it's gonna be difficult to do this.